Hello. Good afternoon, student. How are you doing today? I My name is Mr. Ifan. Let me, in case those that don't know my name, so I will be explaining some things on probability, some questions on probability. So I'd like you to give it a rapt attention and pay attention closely. Now we'll be talking about question one. All they are all are based on probability. Now, question one says Musa tosses an unbiased coin and at the same time throws a fair die. Now, doing two things at the same time. All right? Doing two things at the same time. Now, the question says find the probability of getting a head and a number less than 5. Now, tossing a coin and throwing a what? A fair die. All right? So, he's actually performing two activities at the same time. All right? Now, a coin has a head and tail. A coin, tossing a coin, the outcome will be a head and tail. Now, throwing a die, a fair die, has the outcomes of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So he's actually performing two activities at the same time, tossing a coin and throwing a what? A fair die. Now the question says, find the probability of getting a head and a number less than 5. That means we are going to combine the two activities. All right? Now, what is a possible outcome? What are the possible outcomes? We have a head and a tail. That's a total of what? 2. All right? We have a head and a tail, which makes 2. That's the total outcome. Now, what's the probability of picking a head? Is what? 1 over the total, which is what? 2. That is what? Picking a head. Now, throwing a fair coin. Throwing a fair coin, we have the outcome, total, we have the outcome of 1 to 6. They said find the probability of getting a head. We have gotten a head here, which is 1 over 2. Now, the other one is what? A number less than 5. In this throwing a what? Throwing a fair die. We said numbers, they said number less than 5. Numbers less than 5. So from here, numbers less than 5, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. But what's the total outcome here? 6. So number less than what? 5, we have 4. Probability of number less than what? Less than 5 will give us 4 over total outcome is what? 6. So now we've gotten the probability of picking a what? A head, which is 1 over 2. Number less than 5. They said find the probability of getting a coin and a number less than 5. That means we are going to combine the two activities. So we have probability of getting a coin and probability of what? Picking a number less than 5. So that means we are going to what? Multiply the two activities. That's what it actually means. So probability of picking a head is what? 1 over 2 times picking a number less than 5. Picking a number less than 5 is 4 over 6. So multiplying this now, so we have 1 over 2 times 4 over 6. If you look at it closely, 2 can divide 2 here. 2 can divide 4, that's 2. So we have 2 over 6. 2 over 6. So they can still be divided. 2 can divide 2. We have 1. 2 can divide 6. That's what? 3. So the answer is 1 over 3. The probability of getting a head and a number less than 5 is 1 over 3. I did them exclusively. I did them first individually ahead. Picking ahead is 1/2. Then a number less than 5 is 4/6. Combining the two activities means you are multiplying them. 1/2 times 4/6. We have the final answer 1/3. I hope you understand that. Is it clear?
Yes.
All right. All right. Let's see the second question now. Let's see the second question. It says, the second question says, the second question says, a number is selected at random. A number is selected at what? Random. From what? From 0 to 20. From 0 to what? 20. That means 0 is also inclusive and 20 is also what? Inclusive. So what is the probability that the number is an odd number? So we have from 0 now. So let's list out the numbers from 0 to 20. So we have 0, 1. If you count from 0 to 20, 21. Total outcome is what? 21. If you count from 0 to 20, we have total outcome of what? 20. So the question says, I mean, 21. Total outcome is what? 21. All right? From 0, if you count from 0 to 20, you have total of what? 21. That's the total outcome. Now, an odd number. What is an odd number? That's an odd number. Now, if we list all the numbers from 0 to 20, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right. Odd numbers now. If you have odd number, let's see the odd numbers here. We have 1, we have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 9, we have 11, 17, we have 19. So those numbers that are circled are the odd numbers from 0 to 20. All right. Remember, from 0 to 20, we have a total of 21 numbers. That's total outcome. Now, we are told what's the probability of picking odd number. Let's count the odd numbers that we have there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So probability of picking odd numbers. Probability. They said probability of picking odd prime numbers. Odd prime numbers. Odd prime numbers. Odd prime numbers. All right. Though 1 is what? 1 is an even number, but it's not a prime number. So we have 3, 5, 7 odd prime numbers. 9 is not. So the one I actually mark 3, 5, 11, 13, 17, and 19. You can see that they said the probability of picking odd prime numbers. 9 is an odd number, but it's not a prime number. The one I actually marked, they are the odd prime numbers. So let's count them. Let's go 1, 2, 3 odd prime numbers. So probability of picking odd prime numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over total from 0 to 20 is what? 21. So what can divide? What's the smallest prime number that can divide them? Yes, somebody? 6 over 21. What can divide them? Exactly. We have 3 can divide them. 3 in 6 is what?
2.
All right, 2 over 3 in 21 is what?
7.
7. So we have 2 over 7. We have what?
2 over 7.
2 over 7. All right. We have 2 over 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. What's the probability of that the number is an odd prime number? Odd prime number. We have 0 to 20. Odd prime number. Now, odd number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Those are the odd numbers. But it said odd prime number. What's the probability that the number is an odd prime number? Prime numbers are numbers that what? That has 2 factors. Itself and 1. Itself and what? And 1. So we have 3. We have 5. We have 7. So 7 over 21. 7 over what? 21. Sorry. 7 was not counted. So we have a total of 7. 7 over 21. We have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 11, we have 13, we have 17, we have 19. So makes 7 over 21. 3, 7 here 1. 7 in 21 is 3. So it's 1 over 3. That is the answer. We have odd numbers. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Those are the odd number. But the question says probability of picking odd prime numbers. Now we have to be very careful. 3 is an odd number, but it's also a prime number. 5 is odd and prime number. 7 it is, but 9 is just an odd number, not a prime number. So it's not counted. 11, 13, 17, and 19, making a total of 7 odd prime number over total from 0 to 20, making a total of 21 number. So 7 over 21, we have 1 over 3. Please, do we understand that? All right. So let's go to the next question now. The probability that 3 independent events, A, B, and C, occur is 90% each. What is the probability that all 3 occurs? The probability of success plus failure equals to 1. Now, here, occur means success. The probability of 3 events occurring at the same time is given as what? 90% each. 90% each. A is 90%. B is what? 90%. And C is what? 90%. All we need to do, we need to convert 90% to what? 90% means 90 over 100. We need to convert it to decimal. We need to convert to what? Decimal. 90 over 100. 90 over what? 100. He said, what is the probability that all 3 occur? All 3 words occur. So what do we have now? We have probability of A times probability of what? B times probability of what? C. So what do you have? We have 90 over 100 times 90 over 100 times 90 over 100. All right? So what do you have now? We have this. So we have 9 times 9 times 9 over what? 1,000. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9 is 729. 729 divided by 1,000. 729 divided by 1,000. 729 divided by 1,000. 729 divide
0.7.
answer
0.7.
what? Yes, somebody tell us what's the answer.
0.729.
0.729, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's correct. 0.729. But if I want to convert it to what? If I want to convert this to percentage, if I want to convert this to percentage, what do I do? From 729 over 1,000, I would need to multiply by 100. All right? You're very correct here. But the option given to us is in percentage. So that means we need to multiply by 100. The probability of 3 events occurring at the same time is you multiply the both. 90 over 100 times 90 over 100 times 90 over what? 100, which is 729 over 1,000. But we are leaving the answer in percentage according to the options
Excuse me,
given
sir, I'm
to
not
us.
hearing you.
So, all right. I said
Okay.
the question says the probability of 3 events occurring is 90% each. So what they actually want us to do is what we are multiplying each. 90 over 100 times 90 over 100 times 90 over 100 will give us 729 over 1,000. The options given, they are what in percentage, meaning that when we have converted the 90 in 3 places, 90% in 3 places to percentage, we need to multiply by 100. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Please, do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the options are in percentage. So that's why I multiply by 100. 100 over 1. 100 over 1. 729 over 1,000. Then times 100. So let's go now. 0 can cancel 0 here. So we have 729. 0 can cancel another 0 here. We have 729 over 10. 729 over 10. 1729 over 10.
72.9.
72.9. Is that all? Remember, you multiplied it by 100, right? So you are leaving your answer in words. You are leaving your answer in words. Hello? You are leaving your answer in words. Anytime you are multiplying a fraction by 100, when you have gotten your answer, you leave it in percentage. Leave it in words. Percentage. So 72.9%. 72.9 what? Percent. Do you understand it? All right. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question now. Question 4. Let's go to question 4. Let's go to question 4. Now, question 4 says one bag. Let's go to question 4 now. Question 4 says one bag contains 4 white balls and 2 black balls. All right, that's one bag. Another bag contains 3 white balls and 5 black balls. We have 2 bags, black and white. Another bag, black and black and white, all right? If one ball is drawn from each bag, what is the probability that they are both white? They are both white. One bag, let's say bag A, consists of what? White and black. White for in the first bag is what? 4. Black is what? 2. Total what? Total. What's total of white and black in the first bag? What's the total of the balls? 4 plus 2 will give us what? Total will give us what? 6. 6 balls. Now the second bag contains also white and black. In the second bag, it also contains white and black. In the second bag, it contains 3 white balls and 5 black balls. 3 white and 5 black balls. So what will be the total number of balls in the second bag? What will be the total number of balls in the second bag? That will be 8 balls. All right? Okay. Let's proceed now. In the first bag, we have 4 white balls, 2 black balls, making a total of what? Making a total of 6 balls. In the second bag, we have 3 white balls, 5 black balls, making a total of what? 8 balls. Now the question they ask us, if one ball is drawn from each bag, what is the probability that they are both white? Probability they are both what? White. 2 balls. Remember, 2 balls. They are both white. Now, what you need to do is what? What's the probability of picking a white ball in the first bag? Then what's the probability of picking a white ball in the second bag? Now, in the first in the first bag, what's the probability of picking a white ball? Yes, can someone tell us? We have 2 bags. In the first one, we have white balls, black ball, making a total of 6 balls. In the second bag, we have 3 white balls and 5 black balls, making a total of 8 balls. Now the question says, what's the probability of picking white, one from each bag? That means white and white. We are multiplying the both. So probability of picking a white ball in the first bag is 4 over total number of balls, which is what? 6. That's 4 over 6. Now probability of picking a white ball in the second bag will be what? Number of white ball, which is 3 over total is what? 8. The first bag is 4 over 6. The second bag is 3 over 8. Now the probability of picking white ball each from the bag. So that's white and white. So let's go. That will be what? 4 over 6. 4 over 6 times 3 over what? 8. 4 over 6 times 3 over 8. So what will happen now? 4 can cancel 4 here, which is 1. 4 can cancel in 8, that's what? 2. 3 here in 3 here is what? 1. 3 in 6 here is 2. So we have what? 1 over 1, 2 times 2 down, which is what? 4. So the answer is 1 over 4. The probability of picking, the probability of that both are white is what? 1 over 4. That is the answer. That is the word answer. Please, do you understand it? Do you need any light to be shed on it? Do you understand it? All right. All right. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Next question. Next question says now. Next question says, a coin is biased so that it shows heads with a probability of 2/3. All right. The same coin is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of obtaining a head, a tail, and a head. What it actually means is that a coin has been tossed and the probability is what? 2/3. That it shows a head already given to us. Probability of a coin tossed and a head shows up is given as 2/3. 2 over what? 3 already has been given to us. Now the same coin is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of picking a head, a tail, and a head. Look at what we're asked to calculate. A head, tail, and head. All right, a head, tail, and head 3 times. Now look at this now. The probability of a head showing up is 2/3. Now remember, under this now, we have head plus tail will give us what? 1. Probability of, success plus failure equals to what? 1. The probability of something being positive plus probability of something not being positive equals to 1. That means success plus failure equals to 1. Certain plus uncertainty equals to what? 1. Now the probability that the head shows up means success is given as what? 2/3. The probability that what? The tail shows up, head and tail. Are you getting me? Yeah, we now have the head given as 2/3. That means the probability that what? The tail shows up will be what? 1 minus 2/3. 1 minus 2/3. If head is 2, then the tail will be what? 3 minus 2, which is what? 1/3. 1/3. Now the question we ask is that it is tossed 3 times. Find the probability that is what? Head. What shows up is head, tail, and head. Head, tail, and head. So probability that what is head, tail, and head. So we have the head is 2/3 times tail is what? 1/3 times another head showing up, which is what? 2/3. So we have what? 2 times 1 is what? What's 2 times 1? 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. Then times another 2. 2 times 2 will give us what? Yes, somebody? 2 times 2 is what? 4. All right. Over, going to the denominator, 3 times 3 is
9.
what? 9 times 3 is
27.
what? 27. So the answer is 4/27. 4 over what?
27.
4/27. Now, let me recap again. The probability a coin is tossed that it shows head. That means the head shows up. The probability has been given to us to be 2/3. All right. Now, the same coin, they said the same coin is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of obtaining a head, a tail, and a head. Look at it, head, tail, and head. Now, if head shows up is 2/3, probability of head showing up is 2/3, then the probability of the tail, because those are the 2 outcomes, head and tail. If you toss a what? A coin, head or tail shows up. So if a head showing up, the probability is 2/3, then the tail showing up is 1/3. How did I get 1/3? 1 minus 2/3 will give us 1/3. All right. So we are now good to go now to calculate, to solve the question now. Probability of head, tail, and head showing up. So that will be head showing up is 2/3 times tail, 1/3 times head again, 2/3. Multiplying the numerator, 2 times 1 is 2 times 2 is 4. Multiplying the denominator, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is what? 27. So the answer is 4/27. Do we understand it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now let's go to question number 6. Question 6. Let's go to question 6. Now question 6. Yes. Somebody read it to us.
The probability that
You're wasting time.
yours is addition correctly
I can hear you.
is 2/3.
I can hear you.
And the probability that it does is subtraction
All
correctly
right.
is 1/4.
All right.
What is the chance that John evaluates 18 plus
All
16
right.
minus 4 wrongly?
All right.
So I think the answer is 1/4.
Wrongly, isn't it? Wrongly, isn't it? Or how do you know it's 1/4? How did you know
How
that?
did you know that?
Because I don't know, although I have not solved it. Because in the question, they said that the probability of there's no answer there. Sorry, I read it wrongly. I thought they said that it does the subtraction wrongly is 1/4 instead of correctly. Sorry, sir. The answer, I don't know the answer.
Can I help you out? Can I help out?
Can I help out?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Hello?
I see.
Yes.
Addition, getting
Getting
addition
addition
rightly
rightly
is
is
2 over 3.
2/3.
Addition rightly
Addition
is 2/3. Right? What's the probability of getting it wrong? Addition wrong. Yes? What's the probability of getting the addition wrong?
1/3.
1/3.
Thank you. Then the probability of him getting subtraction rightly is given as words
3/4.
3/4. 3 over no subtraction rightly or correctly. All right, is given in the question. What's the probability of getting the subtraction rightly?
1/4.
Thank you. 1/4. So what's the probability of getting subtraction wrongly? Talk to me now. What's the probability of getting the subtraction wrongly?
3/4.
Thank you. 3/4. So that is what we are. So now the probability of getting addition, I'm going to use an acronym, okay? Addition wrongly times subtraction wrongly. Is that not what they said?
I have the question, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Why are
Go
we
ahead.
doing addition?
Go ahead.
Probability of addition wrongly and subtraction wrongly?
That's what the question says. It says,
Why are we multiplying it together?
Yes, they are together. You look at what is given. 18 plus what? What's given? 18 plus words. 18 plus 16 means addition and subtraction. Is that not?
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what they asked us. They said, and they now wrote at the end, wrongly. That means probability of getting addition wrongly times probability of subtraction wrongly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what they asked us. Those value there shows addition and subtraction. And we're giving the addition of him getting addition right correctly is 2/3. Then you need to get what is the probability of getting it wrongly is 1/3. All right? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So subtraction, getting it rightly, is given as 4. 1 over 4 is given in the question. You know, also as what's the probability of getting subtraction wrongly? 3 over 4. Now the question says probability of getting addition and subtraction wrongly. That's what ended the question, wrongly. So that means we are
Excuse me, sir.
multiplying
Sir.
the probability of what?
Sir,
Yes.
I don't understand how
Yes.
you get that subtraction wrongly. How is it 3 over 4, sir?
Okay, 1 over 4 in fraction means 1 out of 4. 1 over 4 means 1 out of 4. If I have 4 naira and I gave you 1 out of it, what did I give you? I gave you one out of the 4 I have. Is that not?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the remainder?
3. Stop.
Is it clear?
Okay, yes, it's clear, sir.
The addition, the 1 over 3 also, this one, you also get it. All right. So let's multiply the both addition wrongly and subtraction wrongly. We have, it's going to be 1 over 3 times 3 over 4. 1 over 3 times 3 over 4. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. So we have 1 over 4. And somebody actually got it. Somebody said 1 over 4. Who is that? I have a gift for you. Somebody said 1 over 4. Who is that? Hello? Somebody said 1 over 4 before I solved the question. Who's that? So that's the correct, and 1 over 4 is the correct answer. 1 over 4 is the correct answer. All right. So we